how to copy text from PDF on Mac. So this also works with secured and password protected documents. Usually all you need to do is highlight text, right click, then click on copy text, or click edit and copy text within here. As you can see, for some of them it's password protected. So there's two different things you can do. One of them is screenshotting, so you can do that by pressing Command and the upwards tab key on your MacBook to do a screenshot like so. Then go ahead and click on the screenshot, then you can go ahead and copy and paste as you usually would. Or there is another way if you want to do that for like the entire PDF document. What you'll need to do is go ahead and click File at the top of the PDF document, click on Export, then export the format of PNG, then click on Save. Then you'll be able to go into the PNG file itself and then copy and paste like you usually would. So just go ahead and open it up, go ahead and click on what you want, or you can select all, then click and copy text, and then you can paste it as usual. Leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.